Hey guys! So, days of the week. Here we go. Lunes, Monday, martes, Tuesday, miércoles, Wednesday, jueves, Thursday, viernes, Friday, sábado, Saturday, domingo, Sunday. Now that that's out of the way, let's learn some fun facts. Did you know that weekdays don't have plural forms? Regardless of whether you're referring to a single day or multiple days, the names of the weekdays do not change. For example, if you want to say, I don't work Mondays and Tuesdays, you would say, no trabajo los lunes y martes, not no trabajo los luneses y marteses. That just sounds weird. Ugh. The only days that have a plural are the weekends. Did you know that in Spanish, you never have to capitalize the beginning of any weekday in a sentence? In Spanish, it is common to keep the beginning of the days of the week lowercase unless it is used in the beginning of a sentence or a title. For example, if you want to say, I have an appointment on Friday, you would say, tengo una cita el viernes. But when you look at Univision's longest-running program, Sábado Gigante, literally titled Gigantic Saturday, the S in Saturday is capitalized because it's both the beginning of the sentence and a title. So it's extra gigante. Did you know that weekdays were named after our solar system? The names of the days of the week in Spanish have roots in ancient Roman culture and are based on the planets that were known at the time. The days of the weeks were named after the 7 known planets, which were believed to have astrological influence over different aspects of life. When those names were adopted into Spanish, the names were modified slightly, but the planetary origins were preserved. Lunes, which is Monday, was named after the moon, Luna in Spanish. Martes, which is Tuesday, was named after Mars, which is Marte in Spanish. Miércoles, Wednesday, was named after Mercury, which is Mercurio in Spanish. Jueves, which is Thursday, was named after Jupiter, which is Júpiter in Spanish. Viernes, which is Friday, was named after Venus, which is Venus in Spanish. Sábado, which is Saturday, was named after Saturn, or Saturno in Spanish. Domingo, which is Sunday, was named after the sun, Sol in Spanish. Well, that's the end of the video. It's a little bit different than what I normally do, but if you liked it, make sure to leave a like. That lets me know to do more of these eventually. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Adios!